Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you probably already know I rarely do a sponsored video. And the reason why is because one, the item needs to fit in my channel, and number two, it needs to be something that I'm interested in, and three, I have to feel that it is of quality and something that I'm interested in, and something that I feel that the company is an ethical company. No slave labor, fair trade, etc. So when Read Your Heart Jewelry reached out to me, I did my due diligence and I tried to research as much about them as possible. And I honestly couldn't find anything negative about them. So what are they? Well, they're known for the Moissanite stone, all right? It's kind of like a dupe for a diamond. It's much harder than a diamond. It was originally discovered by Henri Moissan, I believe that's how you say his name, in 1893 from a meteorite. And the material it's actually made out of is silicon carbide. However, that these stones are lab created. The company founder is a woman by the name of Alyssa, who was on a tour of the Antarctica and she lost her wedding band. I believe she was a magazine publisher, and while she was out, she happened to notice a woman and admired her wedding band. And the woman said, "This is not real, this is moissanite." So Alyssa set out to create a company that has this type of jewelry. Again, it's lab created. The stones are actually harder than diamonds. They have more brilliance to them. And one of the things I liked about Read Your Heart is that they actually have ring sizes that will fit me. All right, they go down to a 4.5, and they do custom jewelry as well too. So let me open up these packages and show you exactly what this jewelry looks like. Okay, this jewelry was gifted to me for my honest review. It came in a bubble mailer, and each of the jewelry boxes were also bubble wrapped. They also came with a little pamphlet here, and let me open this up and read to you exactly what is inside. First, they give you a little gift bag in case you want to gift this, but I don't think I want to gift this. I think I want to keep this for myself, to be honest with you. The next thing that came with is a little cloth in order to clean your moissanite. And it's a little thing, it says, "Record your memories." It's the brand origin. The founder, Alyssa, is editor of a fashion magazine. Read Your Heart Jewelry was originated from a romantic trip to the Antarctic pole. She spent most of the unforgettable time of her life during this trip. The dreamlike aura of the Australis made her feel eternity of time and the beauty of life. All this deeply shocked and inspired her. She lost her engagement ring, etc., as I had already mentioned. She decided to create her own jewelry line. And they're known for actually their wedding bands and their engagement rings. So I was able to choose the jewelry that I wanted to try on for you. And one of the items I chose was a wedding band that is not... Yes, it looks like a wedding band, but it doesn't scream wedding band. And I kind of thought this would be something good that I can bring on my cruise that looks like a wedding band, and people might not, if I want to go out to the dance hall at night, I'm not going to be approached by anyone if I'm wearing a wedding band. So that's one of the reasons why. And again, it's moissanite and it's not diamonds. Not that I want to lose this jewelry, but I can feel safe that that won't happen. So this is a lifetime warranty and certificate of authentic GRA they provided. And they give you a little moissanite report. And GRA stands for the Global Gemological Research Association. It's an independent jewelry institute. Okay. And yeah, so give me a minute and let me open the package. I'm getting kind of excited. So not only did it come bubble wrapped, it came with this little cardboard insert around it and this lovely Tiffany blue jewelry box, which I'll open up here. Okay, let's open it up into this little Ziploc. And this is the wedding band ring, is the first item that I received. Okay, isn't that pretty? Let me take it off to show you. And these are all 925 sterling silver. They have very little gold on their websites, but you can definitely check them out, and I'll give you the link below. And they gave me a discount code too. The discount code is Carolyn, Carolyn 15, and you get 15% off site-wide. I'm like, all right, so I have a very tiny finger. Remember, they were able to do a 4.5, all right? And like I said, not many jewelry companies do smaller sizes. So I was really happy that they offered that. And like I said, they also offer custom jewelry if you're interested. So I don't know if you can see this. This is little diamonds, and it's like a scroll work band, if you can notice that. And it fits perfectly as a 4.5 on my finger. Isn't that beautiful? So this is definitely quality jewelry. It's not fine jewelry, but it is definitely a quality item that I would wear. All right, it is absolutely beautiful. Very shiny and sparkly. And again, this is something I chose out. They have much bigger rings. If you like more of a statement ring, they absolutely had that. But I was looking for something small and delicate to be like a wedding band, but not a wedding band. And I think this is perfect. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the next item they sent me. Here is the necklace. This is also in sterling silver. This is absolutely beautiful. It is just a single moissanite stone here in the center, and then tiny little, I guess you call them baguette stones around the side. And again, this is something that I picked out. I prefer daintier jewelry. They did have all sorts of styles, and I highly encourage you just to even check out their website to see what it's like. My discount code is Carolyn15, and it is mostly sterling silver. They do have some gold on the website. And again, very happy with these items. Thank you again for returning subscribers. Appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? And I want to thank Read Your Heart Jewelry for providing these items today, and I'm very happy with them. Take care until next time.